Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Anik Rafiki bin Azman. ID matric G0319102114 from section S2 Group 1. Today I want to present about network routing individual task assessment. My lecture name is Puan Khadijah binti Muhammad Ghazali. Task scope troubleshoot IPv4 and IPv6 static and default routes. So for the introduction is, in this assignment, we'll identify about the laboratory exercise 16.3.2, which is troubleshoot IPv4 and IPv6 static and default routes in Packet Tracer. We will practice the following skill in this activity. For part 1 will be to evaluate network operation. For part 2 will be to collect information, create an action plan, and implement correction. Troubleshoot IPv4 and IPv6 static and default routes in lab 16.3.2 was given a topology overview and addressing table for each component in the topology that needed to be configured in the packet detector. We're going to problem statement. The problem statement are the changing in the network. The reason of the charge are the link to saturated services provider get disconnect. The administrator might have enter an incorrect configuration and cause interface to snap or disconnect. The router are AD set higher than default. Next, the default AD has been used and the used IP address may be incorrect. The IP address incorrect for the next jump. Now we jump to addressing table. So this is device, interface, IP address, and default gateway. So has device R1, R2, PC1, PC2, PC3, and lastly PC4. So the objective for this assessment is to evaluate network operation. For part 1 and part 2 is gather information, create an action plan, and implement correction. So for the background and scenario, all the network device in this packet tracer physical mode PTPM activity have been pre-configured to include intentional error that are preventing the network from routing as intended. The task is to evaluate the network, identify and correct the configuration errors to restore the full connectivity. You may find errors with the route statement or with the other configuration that impact the accuracy of the route statements. Now, for the instruction, part 1, evaluate network operation. Use the ping or trace route commands from the router to test the following criteria and record the result. So for the question 1, traffic from R1 to the 172.16.2.1 address on R2 use the netscope 192.168.0.50.14. So this is how my command looks like. I'm using confterm and no IP route 0.00000.168.0.14.18. So no IP route, the command to delete the IP address, and the next command is IP route 0.0.0.0.0.192.168.0.14. So the command is to add the new IP address to replacing the IP address that be removed. So we can see here the IP address 18 have been removed and add the new IP address with no 80. So the next question is traffic from R1 to the 209.165.200.129. Address on R2 use the netscope 192.168.0.30. So this is the IP classless. I'm using the same command as question 1, and this is the IP classless. So I get the netscope is 192.168.0.30. So the next question is when the G0/0/0 interface on R1 is shut down, traffic from R1 to the 172.16.2.1 address on R2 use the NetHop 2001 DB8 ACAD1. So this is the command confirm no IPv6 route /0 to 2001 DB8 ACAD1 and 19, and we replace the IP address with IPv6 route /0 2001 DB8 ACAD and 1. We remove the 90 here. We go to the next question is traffic from R2 to the 2001 DB8 ACAD 2091. Address on R1 use the NetHop 2001 DB8 ACAD 16 and 1. And I use the conf term configuration termination. No IPv6 route, and I use IPv6 route again to add the new IP address, and no IPv6 route again, and IPv6 route again to add the new IP address to replace the IP address that I have been removed, and lastly end the command. And last question is when the G0/0/0 interface on R2 is shut down, traffic from R2 to the 2001 DB8 ACAD 171 and 1 address on R1 use the NetHop 2001 DB8 ACAD 16 and 1. Conf term no IPv6 route /0 2001 DB8 ACAD 151 IPv6 route to replace the IP address that we have been removed /0 2001 DB8 ACAD 16118 and the command. So this is the ping for IPv4 in command prompt in PC1. So ping 209.165.200.2 and the ping is success, and all the ping is success. So this is ping IPv6 and all the ping is success too. The conclusion is based on the troubleshooting lab has provide knowledge on how to evaluate network operation by changing the configuration to make the appropriate NetHop address for its existing router. So that's all from me. Thank you.